Yeah, babe. Just got to the pet shop to get the life jacket for Bruce. Keep an eye out for my package. It should be there any minute. Bye.
Hey, Vinny. Here for something special? Or just the free Wi-Fi?
Always the free Wi-Fi. And this. Oops. Sorry, Steven.
No worries, bud.
Ooh, big fishing trip this weekend.
I hope you catch a lot of fish.
I sure will, Steve-O. Just waiting for my rod to be delivered. The Ketchum 3000. Who wouldn't be hooked?
Nice.
Sure hope it arrives soon. Huh. I don't recognize that number.
Enter Vinny Mancuso, a man dreaming of a peaceful fishing vacation. But will a mysterious text reel him into danger? Vinny is about to find out that sometimes one small click can lead to a sea of trouble. My name is Eva Eldorado, and I'm the world's greatest cyber detective. Today's case is one part hook, one part line, and a whole lot of sinker. I call this the case of the phishing fiasco. Phishing, the fraudulent practice of sending emails or other messages pretending to be from reputable companies in order to trick victims into paying money, handing over sensitive information, or downloading malware.
You package delayed? Oh, no! To get today, must click now here. Huh. Okay.
In the shadowy world of cybercrime, we call clues flags. And the only one who saw these flags was a turtle named Wax. Had Vinny taken a moment to think, he would have realized this message has more red flags than a racetrack in Nebraska. The strange phone number, the bad grammar, the urgent tone, and a link with no clear markers to identify the sender. Will Wax get Vinny off the hook, or will Vinny take the bait and end up being the catch of the day?
Where were you going in such a hurry?
Oh, no! Vinny! What did you do?
What do you mean? I didn't do anything. I just checked my package status.
You clicked on a phishing link.
Phishing? I didn't click on any of my phishing sites.
No, Vinny. Not that kind of phishing. The online scam kind.
You must have triggered some kind of cyberattack. I learned about this from my cyber safety class at the day program.
Did your seminar teach you how to reverse a cyber attack?
No, but I know who to call.
Oh, these scammers are good, but they're not as good as me. Yeah! Good thing you boys called me when you did. Doesn't look like there's been any damage done to your system, and I've notified your bank and the proper authorities. I've also installed cybersecurity to prevent another malware attack.
Malware? What's malware?
That's what caused all this rigmarole. Malware is a software program cyber criminals use to steal sensitive information, disrupt operations, or demand ransoms. That's why you never click on unfamiliar links.
Phishing scams can steal passwords, bank information, even your identity. You taught me that.
Attaboy!
I get it now. Slow down, pay attention, and think twice before clicking links from unrecognized numbers. Better safe than sorry. Like wearing this life jacket. Right, Brucey? Whoa!
Hey, Bruce, back here with
Hold
that.
on!
Would you, Bruce, come on.
Does anybody speak
Bruce,
dog?
come here, boy.
Vinny learned his lesson. Always think before you click. When you get an unexpected message, look for red flags. Is the sender familiar? Do they use poor grammar? Is the link suspicious? Does the message create a sense of urgency? Always double-check a text message by logging into the official site yourself. And if you make a mistake, act fast. Change your passwords, contact your bank, and report the scam to the proper authorities. So if you think you may have been scammed or aren't sure if something's the real deal, reach out to someone you trust, your service coordinator or provider, and see what they think. The more eyes on a case, the better. Remember, in the world of cybercrime, the regional center is on your side. Be smart, stay safe, and if something doesn't seem right, speak up.